guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
I don't know who is with you. No, go ask.
Happy weekend from Queen Rita. How now do cry for streets? Since yesterday, and lovely Alabama people, how not and lovely Alabama people, how not day, how are you guys doing? Happy weekend to you. If they pin them, say they don't get people who love them. If they pin them, say they and lovely Alabama people, how attention. Run from people who by force attention on you. They drag you because they want you to reply so that they will get attention. Who did you? You are living in this Europe for 30 years. You can never feel important for women like you. You can never. That they blow the notification come on to my darling people. So if you notice say your notification not they work again, just unfollow and follow again. Press the notification. You know, say I be their queen. Now they are queen more than I be. So that they always they come the session and they look say how the queen they go. With the fear, oh, we don't want to make queen come grow. We don't want to make queen come.
They don't see reduce your this thing.
They say I love you, Rita. They fight them. They don't want to hear that I love you. They can die for it. It's very expensive.
I want people more.
Very expensive. You know.
Now me they win though.
Just watch this goat on the social media. She wanted to use money to buy love, but she able to buy it. Everything when she done, man carry her come go give another woman. That is how it is. You don't use money to buy love. Eh? Then she tried to buy love, she not fit. She tried to force her. It not work, you know what? Force it and see if it will not buy you. If you force her, it will buy you. You also have it.
Hi. Oh why not? Eh.
Just force her.
Oh your power yeah now.
Yeah, the snare. Now they cry for street. Since yesterday, I hear
thank you. And they do this thing.
Yeah, yes, they carry infant children. You go come and they bully.
This one na ehwe. Your woman they cook am for you ehwe with baga. You know say now they use and eat yam. We they use and eat yam. The same time we see they use and take they cook soup. You use them with baga. You know. I don't cook mama. Come be like say I can't use salt to spoil them. I use salt to spoil this food. Oh, my head of fish, oh, it don't break put, oh. Oh, I don't enjoy this head of fish today again. Now check on. Because you know say baga, you know they too thick. You know let them too thick. Me I know they let my own too thick. Me I reduce them. This moment already done. Just small heat now. You will just now. Me I check on whether it's thick. Okay. Ikobo. If I can trouble me now, on a make it a glory in the mouth. I love if I can draw a little saga. So they say, lovely. Sometimes either they do saga, and they eat them, and they use one hand they commit. Lovely, you're not ashamed. Go and get a life. Then I don't say me myself, and they enjoy. And I go they laugh. Lovely. Now says, what that the day when they used me do video that year? They that one not see man for Facebook. You don't want to come on. Oh my God! When he catch this, Pepper catch this thing, salt catch on. What that the Lovely. Come be like say. that name. Lovely. Waiting. Waiting, I be your mate. Eh? If there's somebody you senior me now, you will use 20 years say senior me. Eh? She go use 20 years say senior me. Lovely. I said, see me. What's nu? Where? What's binare? What's all when not bina? Where when maybe where dog bina? Where to go and bina? Eh, we're going to me as a door. You may as a door now. Me as a door, when no yet where I was a as a door in your night. It was a door one in your bear one in your yen. When died the day? I don't see that the day, girl. One woman said, Mama said, he said, that woman said, I did do. Now said, I seen your row. Say, Mama, I said, now lie. He said, you know, senior that woman. Said, the woman, I did it. When did I did it? When they use part of tear up neck, you can't use, oh, I told me, and they cook soup. I want to eat fruit. And I don't say I dey chop fruit. I'm a fruit lover. Now go the one take so. Okay, now go the one. When they you know they do life again. He said now because of they now wish now make me they beat Monica. Now tell us say leave me and Monica. We get the way me with Monica. We get the way we take the fight our fight. Not be today, me with Monica fight start. Me with Monica fight. They're not the top put. Even people when they watch I will say, I believe lovely tomorrow I don't understand you now. When they don't enter house, I be okay. I block her. Oh, I don't remember. They do live video. That the way they use one apart tired. Oh, book no mewe, igbe abia no go. I don't remember his name again. No say me, got the way when I say they find trouble. Eh? Oh, the day is so green. Oh, I'm your guira. Oh, the day is so green. Oh, I'm your guira. Oh, the day kiss a gadaroi. I'm your ira. Oh, the day I'm your hero. You become Facebook. Go find boy. I be not see my don't enter house. Oh, the day is a girl. Anyway. One now, just a group your baby. Now the green one go take. Now see my he slapped me, he woto me. This one give me woto. I don't like the green one. I just said now the golden one not take. The golden one not they slap like this. I come here and turn my stew. Oh, I want to put this one for you. That's a mistake. That's a mistake. Anyway, I'm a big bear. Oh, see now, this is my fish, eh? Right, terrible. Why did you decided to break when you are they can reduce the gas, yeah. What's up with it? My people, what did they do? You not just comment. You not see the day again. The day, Perita no power. The day, Perita no power. Now that the woman say I go beat him. As I say, now my age mate, I go beat him. Now the woman say, Sister Lovely, say, he say not be your mate though. He say na the now week. Oh, man. We are alone and no one me over. You go make you go toilet. And they come sit down. They come carry my pot of soup. She come say they do saga. You know say they analyze. Where am I doing this girl woman? No, he don't come out.
Who set a grace? One dash and never end. And lovely and remember people, how na day? How are you guys doing? Happy weekend to you. Happy weekend, happy weekend, happy weekend to you. Yes, I know say if weekend they come like this, everybody go to suburb. Everybody go dey happy, especially me. If weekend they come like this, I dey always dey happy. Rosemary, my sweetie, I'm seeing you. Happy weekend to you guys. How na day? Happy weekend from Queen Rita. How na day? If weekend they come like this, everybody.
This one. Okay, now you go.
Take your light color.
Now you go just do this side.
Support. These are the
My fake account.
you were to take
Is that one? I think I fake account for there.
these.
You know what?
Oh, if weekend they come like this, everybody go dey happy, go to suburb.
You know what? I go use love like your enter. And they use my fake account and they do stupid thing. You got one fake account. The man say we not say na love like your and I go laugh. This people, you know, when people they lie put for your head, so people go they cry. Me, they make me laugh. Oh, should they lie? I go they laugh because I know say at the end of the day, if you go juju now, you juju go key. Yeah, I'm not booby.
Because it's weekend. You want to enjoy yourself again some time with your family. Stay with your kids at home. It's very, very important. I am telling you guys. We wait on the stay house. If this weekend they come like this, we will tell you say this one at time and opportunity we don't want to stay house with our children. We don't use How are you guys doing? I am happy too. You are happy. Myself, I'm happy because it's weekend. I'm very happy. I will close very early today. Anytime we be saying on Friday, we always close 12 o'clock on Friday. 12 o'clock, everybody carry back. But today we just close even earlier. We did a together breakfast today. We all
You know what, yeah? You see all this land you don't present her. No, say now me they bring the table like when no rock mo. All of them, they don't they go work. So they do voluntary work. Now they then a wish they go work. Real woman when they do 8 hours. Do you know what is 8 hours, my people? I don't know that they say that they go work. They don't they go work. Now lie, they just they lie. They can't lie. let's gist about them. They lie too much. They are a bunch of liars. They lie too much. These people, they are not working. If you chest 8 hours, you won't have time to come on live video. If I say it now, people will say, lovely shut up, lovely shut up. Now voluntary work, now that they do voluntary work. Did you know why I said it? I have chest it. Did you know last year? I think I was doing 7 hours. People now they see me for Facebook. No matter how you go get straight rich, no matter you go get children, you go cook for children, you go do everything, you know go fit. Others now that they say, I'm just going to work, I'm coming back from work. They are not working. They are not working. The time that I was working last year, I think I worked almost 7 months. If I'm coming from work, do you know that I will fall asleep inside the bus? When you people see me that time, you can see say lovely change. I change. when I dey eat for working place, one person write put for my comment, well done my sister. One person write for my comment say, he say, why your eye come be like this? Now say, you never know why my eye be like this. Did you know? If you the work when I dey work that time, we dey arrange something. Now when they arrange something, now we dey work that time. Then they bring different things come magazine. You know say magazine when they arrange something like there is some things when they go carry come now. This plastic, you go place and put. And if you want do you go take am, especially like I think I don't already talk am. Let me check if whether we see example here. Not there. This one they print and put with machine. You know, because like this kind one, like this kind thing, we they do at that time. Like this kind thing we they do at that time. But this one now machine. Now they take print this one put na machine. Now they take put this one put na machine. You see this one when you they see so. Wait. No, not be here. They please this one put. You see this one when you they see so. This one go there. Then for here, that this thing for money. Oh, thank you, happiness, joy. Thank you very much, love. You see, like this thing now, like this thing now for money. You see, this thing for money, we go plaster and put. Then they bring this one. Now you roll and you go remove am. You go plaster and put. You go roll and you remove and you plaster and put. Sometimes you come and put them for your hand, put them for your hand, so that may you not go there roll and put them for your hand. You from your hand they plaster and put. Now I work that time. Different thing. Who is there? I know that is not my hair, but I move my hair. Who is you? Who is you? I know it's you. I did my hair didn't come, I don't know why. Now I want this soup. My people, may I show you this soup for the last time? Let me show you this, guys, this soup for the last time, you know. Wait till. I know I made too thick. Be too thick. This one is we are on my way home now. It's very hot. Hot? I've turned the heater. Man. I've hot feet. I'm done. This is the outcome of the soup. Okay. Thank you for staying with me here. Cathy, oh yeah. Leave here. Oh yeah. Go wrong. Go up. I know I made too thick. Let me check it. See, not too thick. Now like this, I did like them. Come take me, you take. See, my head of fish as I protect and reach. Now two. This head of fish. If you come my house, and they eat head of fish. Hey. Yeah. Don't go finish. Boom. It's out. Now tomorrow now go pack am, not be today. Tomorrow. Now pack am. Now this plastic now they tie and put small. I pack am. This soup now, this soup fit spend 1 month plus for my house. Maybe before this soup go finish, again where I will use and eat now. Maybe I feel use and eat reach like 2 weeks, and I'll cook another one. Then this one will still there inside fridge. If you reach inside fridge now, different soup now they there. Don't see. I think I off you. May I remove one from there? If not, okay. I am done cooking. This one now, you go even pass safe. Because if I cook another soup now, I'll come see stop. I know eat again. I'll constantly continue that. When that one constantly tire me, I'll still come back for this one again. Because the last one when I cook, this thing. Cathy, oh yeah, go. I want to lock door. Go away. I don't know what you are doing here. Oh yeah, do it. Bye. Go and meet your owner. Your owner day house today. Don't come back. He could come back today. You know?
One dash and never ends.
You see there.
How are you guys doing, my darling people?
Well, you be stop, oh.
Students together, we did breakfast together. It was.
You know, that's it, my people. All those ones when they talk say that they go work, they all they go work. I chest them. Even the other day, I think 3 weeks ago, they come say they will find another work for me. That one not be work when they pay. Me, I just say they come out for house. You see, huh? All those ones that they say I'm going to work, I'm coming from work. Don't mind them. Women when they read, they do 8 hours. You know, get time for live video all the time. Lie. You know, get time. You guys can confirm mine. When I was doing work last year, when I was going to work last year, did you see me on social media? No. If I come back sometimes, hey, make I reach house, you know. Once I reach house, you know, say during the time when I take start my own that I start for January now to start. No say cold day. Once I just reach house, I'll just enter bedroom. I'll just bath because I'd already eat for work, you know. I'll bath, I'll lie down. If I lie down, I'll come wake up around 10 o'clock sometimes. Sometimes I enter house around that kind to 6. That time, how many hours I they do? Not reach 8 hours, so be like say now 7 hours now they do that time. Yeah, it's like now 7 hours now they do. I tire. You can't say I'm coming from what they can't lie. Ha! They too lie. They lie too much. I don't know why these people, yeah, they are a bunch of liars. They lie too much. Any of the way they talk for them, they too talk lie. That is what I don't like about them. Now, so if they put lie for your head, then people will not understand. They go to say, "No truth." They like that. These people lie. They don't go work. Oh, now they go work. They not they go work. They don't they lie for them. No man, I don't mind them. If they come, by the time I make come say some people when you know they go work. Maybe some people when government they give them money. By the time they say now be this and they go sir. Now loud they go work. Some they receive single mother money. No, I don't mind them. You know, that's it. And they just say that they say congratulations to Monica. What happened? I see him for airport. He carry brother come. Oh. Money. He carry brother. Now competition. More than write them for comments. Now I don't understand that area. More than write them for comments. So that we'll know how we will take, you know, say now, yeah, now if they disgruntled things. We'll know how we will take them and say, thank you for bringing your brother. We congratulate you. May we know whether not true first. So, happiness, if you still there, yeah. I bet anyone will still there, yeah. Okay, carry brother come. Now he carry come. We congratulate her. Oh, thank you. You know, see, this makeup, now stand do am. When you just concentrate, say you want to do makeup, I know they put my energy for makeup. If I just sit down, stand for bedroom, just do this thing, rub on, do like this, put concealer, do like this, just do less, pian, like that. Put concealer, do like that, do like this, do like that. Put this thing. You know, sometimes if you can't say you want so soft, you can't do the best makeup. The one where you just do pa. Now they find pass. Now pa makeup I can't they do now. Thank you very much. We don't talk on 2 times. It's like you like this makeup. I think you said it before, right? I don't know. Make una let me know. Okay, yes. Okay, carry brother. Congratulations to her. She tried. No easy, oh. No, so I see you too. Oh, her brother don't enter. Hey, oh, you tried for how many years? Ah, the main friend. Hey, this competition now. Woto, goza, woto, goza. Eh, oh. You know, see, don't carry brother come. You see, okay, now be there for promo. Now be there for promo when you want show. Money. Since when I see you from Facebook, I don't say the current person can say this one a fake life. Okay. This one not be fake. This one not be fake.
Did breakfast together. It was nice and interesting after the first.
This one not be fake. Abi. That one not fit be fake. No, that one not fit be fake. Did they happen? That one not be fake. Carry person come from Nigeria, not be fake. We'll go check him. Then this one now, his friend now, that one go enter one chance. Hey. Man, the way when I say they drink sweet things, right from the beginning, when they grow up. I be dey find this thing video. Which video be this one? Be dey find video Monday. It's not go. Why? Okay, this one my friend. Where is friend the open fridge? Now the day na which now they shut the friend fridge. The day na which. And then I wish when they follow small. You laugh, happiness, joy. Yes, this one is not fake. We'll tell us say congratulations, still try for a year. We not be enemy of progress, though. It's not easy. It's not easy to bring person come. Even to buy ticket alone is a lot of money, You try. This one not be fake one. They don't analyze this one now. They don't analyze this one. This one not be council house. Your brother na council. Na council na help and carry brother come. My people, my poopo. Oh my God, these people they are funny. I just want to go one video. No, not be this one. Then from this one enter. Whether I see they do the celebration. Why be say if you come from from their video, enter video, you go see them. No. If you enter their video, you know come they see them again. Why? You try. Now that one, if you use that one to motivate person, good. Not be fake life. Like that one, if you add that.
So you guys are so desperate like this to see my upper house, and you guys were pretending, eh?
Okay, now the brother be this one. Money, does this see what you feel do? This one not be fake like this one not real. I be now check am well whether my brother. You know say later another say no be brother. You know say now we dey check am. There is okay. You know why people will say carry her brother come Europe. Monica don't carry her brother come Europe. I think that she carry her brother come. Make una put yes or no. Una know why people was it to say not be her brother. You know, say this one not be council house. We talk of council house. This one now, it go be brother. You know, say some corner. So I say not be your brother. Happiness, joy. If you still there, yeah, I bet you fit tell me. Make I know whether you true wash them. If you fit tell me why people go say no be brother, I bet right hand for you. Now something that people will see come and say no, not be brother. Happiness are the way for you. Not be brother. Just right hand. Just right hand. Make I know if the people will use one thing to say no be brother. Right hand. Make you see. Okay. Now this is brother paper. Now they do. Now he make am come dey talk say, Lolo, no bring the brother and sister come Europe. I say something is fishing under the basket. We don't know say now basket when they put for under river. Now you want fish go enter. Now this is go fishing the fish. You know right again, right? Like I know people come sit us say no. Me I talk am. I know soon I know no. Because na me know. If they say no be brother, they'll say, see na like this, see your brother, see the way when you be, see the way when your brother be, see the way when you be. I'm not sure. My people now know why. 2016. I don't know if I can remember. My head just enter my mind. I don't know why these people not bring my head come. Okay. Then my brother, you don't fair hear the name for the brother name for her man. Susuli. Is this so? Okay. You know why I talk? You know, say some people feel can argue. You know the 2016. It's like 2016. Yeah, 2016. I'm not gonna remember 2016. You know, now me when I bring Monica picture come out that time. As Monica brother black, now so Monica black. You know, so if you stay with the brother, my brother, they will say, no be Monica brother, not Monica brother. Now so Monica take black, oh, Monica black. When I see the picture, when they say now for me, you don't know when I break the leg. Just happiness. I don't know whether they follow us that time, oh. You know when I break table leg, I can break table leg. They'll say this lovely. Monica say, I don't know this woman before. I don't know whether this woman know me for somewhere. If I hide, this woman will go bring me out. If I like that, this woman will carry me from where like that. Yeah? If I go to walk out for inside house, I'll go to check everywhere whether lovely or you're dead there. You lovely or you be not dead the same house. Everything when I do for inside my house before you go know lovely or you don't carry a call Facebook. Don't tell. Here with the friend that black well, I remember. Okay, remember that year. Now people gonna say, lovely. Why you for visiting me? Now not the music. You still remember the music when I play put. Nobody ugly, oh. If two of them hear that music, nobody ugly. They'll not remember and say, this stupid lovely. Lovely not stupid person. They don't fit chase me, oh. Chai! These women can't reach to them. Now they say, I bet. This woman, Monica say, leave me alone. See my hand for up. I don't know you before. You know? That woman, she was using the saga for fun, you know? Yeah. Everywhere. You there everywhere. Now so, people will say now lie. Because the brother is yellow. The brother black, she can't yellow, you know. He can't yellow. Now they say if some of them they carry their children, they go. You'll see some women, they carry their children, they go, their children go black, they go yellow, you know. You know they see, their children go black, they go yellow. Some parents they, some husband and wife they when they bleach. They go yellow, their children go black. People go they ask say, why these yellow people they carry these black children they go? They're not yellow. The parents no yellow. It get one day for Astada. You know that they see some women when they do tafia. I can't stand. Two couples come pass. The two couples call the white. You know, they call the white. The three children they just carry. Two, when I say two girls and a boy, I be two boy and a girl. The three children black. But when you see the man face, you will not say, now the man, the children carry the man face, even the mama say, you know, say some children now so go carry their papa's face or carry their mama's face. The woman where for stand, I don't buy something finish and they wait for Taisi because things when I buy plenty. And they wait for person when want to carry me, not be Taisi, person when want to carry me. Me, I'm not going to lie. Now the woman follow me and stand. At that time, now during cold time, you know, when cold day, now everybody don't stand. Now the woman, you know, he forced to just talk him. He said, wow. He said, what kind of combination is this? Now, he said, why papa and mama, father and mother, they are very fair in complexion, and these children, are they their children? Because they look there like this. Now, when the woman talk and finish, you can't look me. Me, I want to Kogosa. You know, say sometimes Kogosa go they hungry you. Now that the woman say, hi, Angelica. Now that the woman say, did you see it where those two parents they are bleaching? He said, hey, the woman just hey, the woman, I'm a boy. This so short people, the woman just short. He short too. He said, hey, you said it. Oh my God, you want me like say me with the woman, eh? We don't fair know before. He said, hey, you said it, sister, you said it. I forget, I don't even know what I have in my mind. I said, seriously? Are you serious? Now he got there. Now that the woman said, I think you know how to gossip very well. Now he got. The woman said, he said, nobody went on there gossip. You know? Then the woman said, clamor, hey, yeah, you got it. I forgot it. He said, I got it. He forget it. Yeah, you got it. I forgot it. I said, yeah, because the both parents, the father is bleaching, the mother is bleaching, the children is black. Now the woman can say, wow. I said, that is how you see most of them. The outcome of it, this is the outcome of it. The father and the mother, they are bleaching, and the children, they are black. Now, some most of the bill is when they carry their children, they go, their children go black. You see, now their mommy also some of them, their children black, well, Now their mama black. Now that their mama black. Now the children, I don't see one live video presenter. He became black. Everybody will want to say, why your pikin go black rich like this? The mama no yellow before. The mama no yellow. Now bleach, now mama bleach. And bleach, if you yellow, you see some people. You know, when you born children, if papa yellow, if they call you carry some fine color come out. You know, I'll carry yellow, because if mama no yellow, papa yellow. If mama yellow, papa black, you go get a CB. So just they all resemble their mama. Their mama go just black. If you see any live video presenter when became black, she the yellow, she bleach. She just bleach. If that they go for road, people they ask say, these children, person give and make it whole. Nobody give and make it whole. Now bleach, now he bleach. Now that the woman, did you see that they bleach? They can't use bleach. Oh my God. You know, especially winter, if they use bleaching cream for winter, you will get it hot with hot water. Even yellow person self, you go see my hand now. See my hand. Even yellow person self, hot water see they affect his hand. Talk like say who they bleach. If I they bleach just now, you see my hair. All my hair go they white. You go get as it be. See See, all my hair go get as be. You go come see some hair, you go come black, hair go come black. Me now, if winter come now, my hair they black. Hair they black. If winter come, my hair must black. See, go black. When winter don't finish, because now hot water, when winter don't finish, you don't go. If you see people, their hair, you see their hair go black, hair go black, hair go black, hair go black, say their hair go de yellow. When you are in winter time, you're supposed to reduce your cream. You know good. Even yellow person self, here, they black. Talk like him called the bleach. You know see? Wow! Now so if people want to talk, now people say, hey, not be Monica, brother. My brother. Why people will say not be Monica brother? They will say why the boy black, Monica yellow. They forget say Monica na black person. Na cream na she use. And she try if na the shout when you shout for Facebook if you see the money, it good. It good now. She still dey sell hair, you know, she still dey sell something. It's good. Remain friend. This saga when they want to do so, competition. You know, say never come out now. First say me fair respect your brother first. The day when you go come out now, you can't see him laugh. Because I don't carry my brother come on. That day she said she want to go bring iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now I say here. After iPhone 15 Pro Max, you know the market now surplus. Where you want to go bring and come? My mind tell me say, no be iPhone, no be Monica want go bring come. My mind tell me say no be phone. My mind tell me say no that thing want go do, but I know my mind not go say my brother. You know, as he come to the airport, I go say okay, my brother be there for iPhone 15 Pro Max. He try. Since when I don't see Monica for this social media. Even he said I was say Monica, the money where your brother take on not be you. You know they no say our people now. We must find where to where the matter go. People feel come and say, hey Monica, this your brother when you carry come, not be you bring out your money. Even he say now shishi. Now she still put for inside. Now 5 euro. Now she still put for inside. She still participate put for coming of her brother to Europe. Since when I don't know Monica, if not let this one now you feel do. Grazie, congratulations. Italian say grazie for your brother to come. Did you know being in Europe for years? Not only you one go just there, you don't get brother, you don't get sister. You don't get anything. You get as it they be now. You get as it they be. You know see huh? Because the money when you're going to give them, you're the fee say the money calculator. If you calculate, you don't even spend money when you want to carry on come. You don't spend that. You don't spend money when you want to carry on come. It's good. No, that one a competition now. Now they go they read the bag. Go. They never hear Monica, make her help you to your brother. Coming of your brother. Aya. Go. Monica bros don't carry brother enter Europe. Una never hear. Monica bros don't carry brother enter Europe. Una never hear. Audio live video presenter. I'm gonna tell her say congratulations. I know say Monica they make trouble. They find trouble well. If they make mouth well, Betty, we don't see waiting carry come. If you be live video presenter say you never carry anybody come Europe, I beg go carry your whole combo. Yes, that is it. When you see somebody when you do something when they see, now you go welcome her for airport. Whether I carry brother come, whether not be not be carry brother come, you know concern me. So far, I see brother say now he go welcome his brother. His brother even day here. If he dey come out for late sometimes, the brother will see give an eye like this. He go see understand. Oh, if you want to make go bros, make I bros now. Oh, when Maya Cho, when you know what you remember what they call her? Happiness. What they call her? Oh, no. They say who they see now that they ask. And I'm me and no. And I'm me I no ta. Bros. Congratulations, you carry your in-law come. Ambrose try you know easy he carry in-law come. Wow. Oh, he try. Ambrose. Now this one I know Ambrose is not a lazy man. 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 Ambrose, see you don't carry your in-law enter abroad, you with your wife. I beg, I need drink. If you not like no, they do saga. If you not like, they say, lovely, you get crazy. Lovely, you get mad. I don't the one wanna do. I need. How much I'll say no, now break up for me now. If I say how much now break up for me, the callers will say, now don't give lovely money. That lovely way they stupid. That lovely they crazy. So that lovely not well. We never know we are lovely day. You don't laugh, Angela. You don't laugh. Now so you know easy. You know easy to be frank and sincere. You know easy. I don't tell her that day. Now so now say Monica will bring your house come out. Now see I talk and say this one. Live video presenter, don't be made we come to make mato. Go. Now so you go do one day. You go bring your house come out for Nigeria. Ambrose, you do well. Ambrose, you do well for Monica body, for Monica brother to enter Europe. You don't jack back for Nigeria, come UK. You don't jack back for Nigeria, come UK. I happy. Only that boy low, bro. You see, they respect your in-law. They respect Ambrose. Me, I know, I be guy's name. They respect him. I don't say you go respect. I know easy. Oh, Ambrose don't get in-law now. If I Ambrose say, come here, will you start there? You go say, if you talk to me, my in-law is going to beat a lot of you. I'm happy for them. It's not easy. I'm happy. When you have brother in Europe, you have sister, it's good. Maybe because they say, lovely. You know they carry your, why you not carry your brother come? Why you not carry your sister come? Why you not carry your auntie come? Why you not carry everybody come? My lawyer so that can marry ban. When I say I say not that ban, I don't understand. I go kata. I don't know. I go get kata somehow. Kata. This you kata. That time, once I tell my daughters, I said, all the time I have running nose. He said, that is why you are not getting old. Now, so my doctor tell me. That time my doctor said, I be one tell us, do you know how old I am? I forget, say, my name, they computer, now Google. He said, do you want to say something? I said, no. Because I be one tell us, I don't open my mouth then. Because I want to go to the house when my name already did computer. He said, that is why you are not getting old. Today, my doctor don't even see from my body. If I read, they go see me something, you say, wow, you look young and beautiful today. Another day, when you go see me, you say, what's wrong with you, lovely? I said, I don't know. Today I'm ugly. Tomorrow I'm beautiful. He said, no, not ugly. Today you are young. Another day you are old. Then the man say, they change. Say, they change. He said, now so, my body go still take dey change. All my this one, I say, I don't want to get old. He say, yeah, everybody must get old. I don't want to get old. He say, yeah, you try at your age. You are still like this. If I tell people, say, see my head, they don't believe you. They'll say I lie. If you see me for camera sometimes, you know they show me. If you see me for ground, you'll say, I be your momo when you see me for ground. You see, when I not sit that one, all of them don't do it. All the other video presenters don't do their hair, introduce their hair. They don't hear say Monica don't carry brother enter Europe. Monica, congratulations. Even if say you they insult me, I know say you know where. Congratulations for bringing your brother. This congratulations when I tell you so, go right out for granted. The day when you also see my own, you also congratulate me for your platform. May your people they insult me there. These people, do you see on this social media? When they saw me on this social media, they thought that I'm a serious person, You know that there are some serious people when they are doing saga, they are serious about it. Me, I don't serious. This maker when I hear get problem. Okay, you dey watch Rita saga. You there yes, since you not comment put is it Jessica? Is it Jessica? Love. You not comment put sis. Now you say you dey watch Rita saga. Okay, Rita dey lie. If not fair do one now. We don't wish Monica Lobolobo. See, he try, he try. Now, thank God for your life. It's a blessed day. Now, me, I get my brother. I have my mother last born. He lives in UK. Then they want my twins brother. If you see my twins brother, very handsome. People don't know that I'm twins. If you see me, see him, you fine. If they laugh for you, you go to hear for this thing for post stage or can laugh. I know they laugh, Sefu. If they laugh, hey, that one laugh past me. He laugh past me. You don't get time. Oh. Now that one gets Benin people for friend where that time when they go school. You go University of Ekpoma. That one get Benin people for this. Now Dokpolo Grammar School. Now you go Dokpolo Grammar School. You know. Then the one when I see them can go University of Ekpoma. They have brothers, big brothers. You know. You see, Then my brother, my senior brother, that one they work for oil company. I don't understand that one. You know, say if people too go school, you not go understand.